I think CSOs can bring the kind of reality check to security research. They are down to earth, they are doing work down on the street and may bring a much more demand-oriented approach to the security research programs. Oh, this depends on the question at stake. They could be information gatherer, they could be just an information source, or they could be full partner shaping the project and shaping the research questions. So that's totally depending on what it's at stake. What we learned today is there seems to be a high bureaucratic barrier. So CSOs have no budget, have no resources to be engaged in the preparation phase of proposals, and even the doing the project gives a lot of endeavor necessary to maintain all the accounting things and all the other bureaucratic things necessary in EU proposals and projects. And I think this is one of the things we have to think of, but I don't have a solution for that.